You've got to put in the work. And that, I think that was the myth that I had bought into early on as a late teen, early 20 something, getting into the direct sales industry, was that it was going to be overnight. You're going to get rich. And, because they talk about all that stuff.
Yeah, they do.
But the reality of it is that you can, but you're going to have to hustle. And so then once you understand that, and you understand that the hustle is the same all the way across the board, you've got to find what you love. Then it doesn't, we always talk about the grind, right? But it doesn't become a grind. It's a hustle, but it's not a grind because we're enjoying it. There's probably parts of Omniprint that you just are totally engaged with, but then there's parts that you're like, yeah, I don't know. Do what we're really good at. Enjoy it. I love sales, right? Yeah. Sales is my thing. I love going out, meeting with people, or having those conversations. It's just, I enjoy that. Some people hate that, and it's okay. I'm good at it. I enjoy it. So that's what I focus on. But as we're building this company, we're looking at how do we, like I told you, I suck at the finances. So how do we, put systems or people in place, such as having an accountant look at things or whatever to solve those weaknesses. But when you focus on doing what you really enjoy doing, and if you're starting this as a side hustle to your day job, find what you're good at, go after, and then put other people around you, because it takes a team, right? Put a team around you to fill in those low areas or the things you don't want to do, and you will grow exponentially faster. And that's the stuff they didn't tell me in the direct sales space. That they're like, oh, you're gonna make $1 million, you're great. It's like, and that's true in every single business. But you've got to put in the effort, and you've got to do something you're really passionate about. Because if you don't have those two, the whole thing will eventually kind of come off the tracks.